What's up, y'all? Welcome to another loose leaf video. Here with Rajani. See that? Shanna must be talking bad about me. Well, it slipped out. So, whatever you do, don't be another Shannon, okay? All right. So anyway, after you whoop my booty in Uno, twice on there, but I whipped your tail off camera. So, what you want to say about that?
I learned how to play Uno.
So that was your first time ever? Lucky dog. Yes, indeed. I can't believe you cheated. Huh? What you want to say about that?
I don't think I cheated.
Yeah. You know what? She was picking cards and cheating. Yeah. What you want to say about that?
I didn't cheat.
Oh, yes, you did. Yes, you did. You cheated. She didn't cheat. She did cheat. You heard me? All right. You know what you are? You're a double crosser. Why would you double cross me? What you want to say about that?
I don't think I double crossed you.
Okay. All right. So we gonna have it your way, okay? You did. I watched too much Three Stooges on that part. Okay. So anyway, how you like my decoration?
I really like the Mardi Gras.
Yeah, but I'm not decorating it for Mardi Gras though.
Yeah.
So if you watch one of my previous videos, you'll see that I decorated my old room when I was living in Metairie. You know, that's if she can find it. That's if you can find it. You know. Okay. So anyway, my friend Dwayne was watching the show, you know. So he said, "Shut up, that old dirty dog." Yes, indeed, that old balloon face looking freak. Yeah, me and him been best friends since the 7th grade.
Okay.
Well, when we first met, me and him had beef with each other. Not just me and him have beef. The whole class had beef with both of us, and we didn't like each other at first. You know, me and him shared the same worst enemy, and we were worst enemies. Interesting, huh? You had a worst enemy? Oh, so you had enemies?
In school, probably.
But don't mention their names because I don't want them coming after you because they probably watch my shows, you know. You got to be careful because I don't know who watches Domino 7, you know. Your enemies or whoever you went to school with probably watches Domino 7, you know. Because I mean I don't hate on people, you know, because I don't know who watched Domino 7, you know. Yes, indeed, though. Have you ever heard of a rapper named Spice One?
No.
Oh, you sure didn't because you're young. Spice One came out in the old days. You know, Spice One is an old school rapper.
Okay.
Yep, from the old days. I think he started, in 1991, but he been rapping longer than that. I hope y'all like his songs, though. Strap on the Side, The Murder Show, Welcome to the Ghetto, 187 Proof, 187 Fact. Yep, Dumping Them in Ditches, 187 He Wrote, America Case Killer, a Nightmare, not Killer, Nightmare. Excuse me, sorry. You know, so again, how you feel about being on the show?
I'm excited about it.
Okay, yeah. One more time, ain't she cute? Yeah, keep smiling, okay? Aren't you afraid to smile?
No.
What's wrong?
Nothing. Trying to drink my energy drink.
Oh, energy drink. Oh, this. All right, never mind. I shouldn't have showed the viewers that. All right, so you was cold last night, huh?
Yeah.
I'm so glad I gave you that blanket though,
Why?
cause I don't want you to freeze.
Yeah.
Not in this house. No, nobody gets sick in this house. Yep. So anyway, here's a bucket in case you puke. Well, I'm not gonna say I doubt you would do that, but so there's it. Well, I don't know why I say that on my show, folks. Yeah, I say anything on my damn show. I got too many channels for some reason. I don't know why the hell I say that. Oh well, but I'm gonna delete some of them, you know. So soon as I get my videos off those other channels, you know. All right. So before I go, I've been doing this show since 2010. Yep, since I was living in New Iberia. Yeah, but I miss New Iberia. And you didn't see that episode when I was hitting my guests with pillars, huh? That because they were trying to rule me on my show, and that was an Easter episode in 2011. I done a show at my Auntie Sandra's, Easter Saturday episode, you know, and those guys was just a causing a commotion, you know, talking about the know you clap, thinking I ain't know who Curtis Jackson was. Dude, you don't know who Curtis Jackson is, huh? That's 50 Cent.
Okay.
Yep. I hope you know who 50 Cent is. Yep. All right. So, yeah, this a party house, but this house remain quiet at night. You like going out at night?
I stay inside.
Oh, me too. You know. All right. So this no title interview has come to a complete close. You heard me? All right. So if we have a party any day, you come to work early. All right. So you can have some cake, chicken, pizza. You like pizza?
I like pizza.
Yeah. Say it again.
I like pizza.
Okay, I just want to make sure people can hear you. You're a low talker, but you shouted good. Oh well, never mind. You're shouting good. Huh. All right, so that's all Domino 7 got to say. Okay, but whatever you do, please don't turn evil. You're a nice person.
Yes.
I hope so. So I don't want to hear that you talk bad about Domino 7 behind his back. And say that, oh, he thinking I'm a nice person, blah blah blah. You know, Shannon did that. What a nutcase. Yeah, I said it. You know, what's she gonna do about it? I hope she go her ass back to heaven where she belong. With her stuck up ass. You know. All right, that's it for now. All right, bye.